In this session, we will learn how to retrieve the ATC arm when a tool change cycle gets interrupted. The automatic tool changer is one of the most critical systems in a machining center. But if an alarm occurs during tool change, the ATC may stop mid-operation. To continue machining safely, we must retrieve the ATC arm back to its home position without losing tool data. Let's begin by looking at a typical machining cycle. The machine is powered on, the system initializes, and the machine is set into its normal operation sequence. The machine runs smoothly, completing operations as programmed. But suddenly the power fails. The spindle holds its position. The ATC arm remains midway. This situation requires an ATC retrieval process. Before we go deeper, here is a simple flowchart of the ATC retrieval process. Step 1. Identify interruption message 2083. Then press alarm soft key. Alarm will be displayed. Find the root cause for the alarm and clear it. Once the alarms are cleared, following are the common recovery process. Switch to MDI mode, enter M06, EOB and then insert. Press cycle, start to retrieve the ATC arm. Wait for confirmation message 2080. Verify tool correctness and press reset and cycle off together to complete. If the tool change cycle was interrupted due to a power failure, first switch the CNC machine back on and allow the control to boot fully. Once the system is ready, press the feed on button, then press the reset key to clear any alarms triggered by the power loss. After the alarms are cleared, follow the main flowchart. Starting with switching to MDI mode, then press M06, followed by EOB and insert. Press the cycle start button to begin ATC arm retrieval. Wait as the ATC arm moves back to its home position and restores tools to their correct places. Look for the confirmation message on the screen indicating the reset is complete. Verify that the tool number displayed matches the physical tool in the spindle. If everything is correct, press the reset and cycle off buttons together. This completes the ATC retrieval. After these steps, the machine is ready to resume normal operation safely. If the interruption occurred because the emergency stop was pressed, press the alarm soft key to open the alarm window and carefully note the alarm message displayed. Start by releasing the emergency stop push button. Next, press the feed on button, followed by the reset key to clear all emergency-related alarms on the screen. Once the alarms are cleared, proceed to the common recovery main flow steps, starting with switching to MDI mode, as detailed in the flowchart. With the ATC reset completed, the machine has resumed smooth, stable operation. Never hand crank the ATC arm until alarms are cleared. If problems persist, contact your nearest sales and service office.